Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you healthy eating habits that can change your life. Let's get started. A range of healthy foods are part of an eating regimen that supports weight management and overall health. Consider adding a variety of hues to your plate as if you were consuming the rainbow. Eat a variety of foods. Eating a variety of foods ensures that you get all the necessary nutrients your body needs. Include a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Avoid processed food. Processed foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Try to limit your intake of packaged foods and focus on fresh, whole foods instead. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water is essential for good health. Water every day. Control your portions. It's important to control your portion sizes. Try using smaller plates, measuring cups, and spoons to keep your portions in check. Plan your meals ahead of time. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices. Make a grocery list and stick to it. And try to prepare some meals in advance. Listen to your body. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Snack smart. Snacking can be healthy if you choose the right foods. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds as your go-to snacks. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating and unhealthy food choices later in the day. Make sure to eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and the cooking methods, ensuring that your meals are healthy and nutritious. Practice moderation. Remember that everything is okay in moderation. Don't deprive yourself of the foods you love, but make sure to enjoy them in moderation. I hope you found them helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.